Good morning everybody at Muddy Boots. I hope you're all keeping well. We've got another project today and we're going to make a bird feeder because it's so beautiful out. We can watch all the birds come in and hopefully feed off it. So today we're going to need, excuse me, a milk bottle, which you can get out of your recycling bin, a pair of scissors, a pencil, a marker pen, a piece of string, and some bird seed, and a nice branch outside to hang it on. So first of all, we need to peel off your sticker off your milk bottle. So we're going to draw on each side of your milk bottle an opening for the birds to come and feed from. You need to make it high, so there's a depth for the bird seed to go into. We do that on each side of the bottle. Then with your pencil, make a hole to get you started. And you're going to cut out your shapes. Either you can do this or you might need some help. So we've cut out each feeding hole. Then you're going to need your pencil, and at the top of your bottle, each side, you're going to make a hole. That's that side. Punch it through the other side. Make the hole quite big because we're going to thread some string through here. Take the lid off. Get your ball of string. Now I've already cut my length. I'm going to thread that through. And then you can get hold of the string from the other side and pull that through. And you're going to make a knot at the top. To whatever length you want for your feet to hang. And just pop your lid back on. And there's your little feeder. I'm going to cut the excess string off. And I've got some bird seed here. So I've got some raisins and cranberries. I'm going to put some of those in. And just little seed mix. It's got sunflower seeds, linseed, and some golden linseed, and pumpkin seeds. As I said, this is a mixture that I'm doing myself, but if you've got a bag of bird seed. You can put that straight in. Got a mix. It's a nice edible. Okay. Pop in your bird seed. There we go. Now, if you want to decorate it, you can, but you're going to need waterproof paint, which if you've got some gloss paint in your shed, that's absolutely fine. Or you could use a Sharpie, because that's permanent. I'm going to go find a branch to hang this on. See you in a bit. So, I've hung our bird feeder on our tree, but I've just remembered today's beautiful, but if it is raining, we need to put some drain holes in. So just get your pencil and very carefully push some holes underneath through each section. There we go. Look at that. And we have some pictures of your birds feeding off your bird feeder. Can you hear the chickens next door? See you next week. Bye.